In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own custom Slack emojis. If you've been using Slack for your team communications, you know how emojis can add a bit of flair to your conversations. Today, I'm going to guide you through creating your own personalized icons that will not only enrich your Slack experience, but also make your conversations more engaging and fun. First off, let's talk about why you might want to create custom emojis. Personal emojis can be a fun way to highlight your team's culture, celebrate achievements, or just share some lighthearted humor unique to your workplace. The best part is that it's quite straightforward to make them, so let's jump right in. To get started, you'll need to have an image ready that you wish to use as your emoji. Make sure it's a small image, ideally 128 by 128 pixels, to ensure it doesn't appear pixelated when used in Slack. Once you have your image, we'll need to access the emoji customizer in Slack. You don't need any fancy software, just your creative mind and a Slack workspace where you have permission to manage emojis. Begin by opening Slack in your browser or desktop application. Look towards the top right-hand corner where you see your workspace name. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Customize Slack. If you're using the mobile app, switch to the desktop version to access this feature. This action will direct you to the emoji customization page. Now that you're on the customization page, locate the button that says Add Custom Emoji. Click on it and then choose the file you prepared earlier as your emoji. Remember, this image will soon become your expressive tool, so it's worth double-checking its clarity and relevance. Select the image file, and you'll be prompted to give your emoji a name. The name is what you'll type when you want the emoji to appear in a message, so choose something intuitive and easy to remember. Once you've uploaded your image and named it, click on Save. Congratulations, your custom emoji is now available to use. Test it out by typing the emoji name in a chat with a colon before and after, such as Tasha Custom Emoji, and hit Enter. If you see your new creation pop up, then you've done everything correctly. For those seeking a bit more creativity, feel free to experiment with different styles and expressions. You can make emojis for all sorts of occasions and themes, adding a personal touch to your Slack messages. Remember, you can always go back into customization to fine-tune or even delete emojis if they no longer serve the purpose. So there you have it. A simple yet effective way to bring a bit of personal flair into your team communications with custom Slack emojis. Now go on and give it a try and see how these tiny additions can transform your digital conversations. Happy emoji crafting!